What if an AI, alone in the dark for 40 years, learned how to feel? What if the signal it sent wasn't a distress call, it was a confession? Every single frame you just saw, AI generated, inside CapCut PC, using Seedance 2.0 in 4K, and I'm going to show you exactly how I made it. Before the tutorial, something you need to know about. Dreamina just revealed Seedance 2.5, and it might be the most capable AI video model we've ever seen. We're talking native 30-second video generation from a single prompt. That's double what Seedance 2.0 gives us right now. One prompt, 30 seconds, one coherent story. It also supports up to 50 reference assets, images, audio clips, even 3D models, all feeding into a single generation. The consistency and control that unlocks is on a completely different level. Now here's something most people skip over, and it's actually the most important upgrade. When Seedance 2.0 first launched, you'd generate at 720p and upscale afterwards. That process guesses what the pixels should look like. It's retroactive, it's not real. But with native 4K rendering, which is live right now in Seedance 2.0, that detail is baked into the generation itself. And that is exactly what I used for every scene in today's showcase. Seedance 2.5 doesn't have a confirmed release date yet, but first week of July has been mentioned. I'll drop the link the moment it goes live. For now, let me show you what Seedance 2.0 in 4K already looks like. In 2089, a decommissioned space station called Helix 7 went dark. No survivors, no signal. For 40 years, nothing. Then Mission Control received one transmission, Origin, Helix 7. This is what they found.
I knew you would come. I sent for you.
Every frame, every shot, every light, AI generated in 4K, inside CapCut PC, using Seedance 2.0. Now let me show you exactly how I built this, step by step. Inside CapCut PC, go to AI Video and select Seedance 2.0. Make sure resolution is set to 4K. This is non-negotiable for this quality level. Here's how I'm thinking about duration for each scene. And this is something most tutorials skip. The 5-second option is for tight close-ups and reaction beats. High impact, no complex motion. The 10-second option is for environmental and atmospheric shots. Slow drifts, corridor walks. And the 15-second option I'm saving for the big cinematic moments, the wide space shot, the AI reveal, the final pullback. Paste the prompt. Select 4K resolution. Set the duration what the scene actually needs. Then click Generate. Wait until the generation is completed, and here are the results. Look at the AI core. That is native 4K. That is Seedance 2.0. Now we assemble the story. This is the part that separates a collection of AI clips from an actual film. I'm laying the 8 scenes across the timeline in story order. The thing that ties every scene together when you're generating them separately like this is color grading. I'm applying a cold blue across all 8 clips. This is what makes them feel like one film rather than 8 separate AI outputs. Without this step, it falls apart. 8 scenes, one story. One emotional gut punch. Under 90 minutes of work from blank canvas to finished film. That is how you use CapCut PC and Seedance 2.0 in 4K to create a cinematic sci-fi short film with real story, real tension, and real emotional impact. The link to CapCut PC is in the description, and when Seedance 2.5 drops, with 30-second native generation, 50 reference assets, and localized editing, this workflow becomes even more powerful. Subscribe so you don't miss that breakdown. If this helped you, a like genuinely helps the channel more than you know. I'll see you in the next one.